How to convert Word to PDF. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word on your device and then click on File at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on File at the top left corner of your screen, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Export. Then click on Create PDF Document. After you click on Create PDF Document, click on Create PDF. After you click on Create PDF, add your file name and make sure Save as Type is PDF and press on Publish at the bottom. After you do this, you'll find the Word into PDF in this way. This is how to convert Word to PDF. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.